Hi guys, today I will explain how to apply filters in Clipchamp. This process is really simple and easy. The first thing is open your application and open a project where you want to apply the filters. The next thing is import your video in the timeline by clicking on the option Import. And once your video will be imported in the timeline, take your mouse cursor on the video and click on the option plus. Once you will click on the option plus, your video will be added to the timeline. Once you've done all the editing, and now you want to apply the filters, what you have to do, simply click on your video and take a look on the right side of your computer screen. Here, you will see multiple options, and from these, you have to find the option filter. Once you find, just click on it, and you will see all the filters which are available will be shown. And from these, some are not usable, because for using those, you have to purchase the premium membership of Clipchamp. If you have, then you can use it. But if you don't have, you can't. So I will apply a free one. So in order to add, just click on that which you want to apply. Once you will do, you can also adjust the intensity of that filter like this. Once you adjust the intensity, simply export your video. And it was the way by which you can apply filters in Clipchamp.